Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive storage full error even when after deleting files. First of all, empty the trash in the Google Drive and Gmail. Go ahead and open your Google Drive, go to the three-line option in the top left corner and then open trash. Then if your trash is empty, that's good. Then if it's not, then you'll see the clear trash or remove everything option, and then restore any deleted option if needed. Next, look in the shared with me and search. Go to the shared and then look in the shared with me option and then search by file name. If not found, check your Google account activity or contact the file owner. Quick fix: use the drive search bar with the file type filters, example type of PDF, to locate hidden files, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials, and see you guys in the next video.